This is lesson 6 for ukulele for the visually impaired. We're going to do This Land Is Your Land, and we're going to do C chord and G7 chord with a down, up strum. So remember that your C chord is your ring finger on your 3rd fret, and it is the A string or the number 1 string, the bottom string. So C chord. Mute strum is keep your finger on your C chord, lighten up the pressure, lay your pointer finger over all 4 strings very gently, and we want that percussion sound so that you can switch. And if you press down on C, you can switch from C to mute, 3, 4, C to mute, 2, 3, 4. Now to get to your G7 chord. The G7 chord is new in lesson 6. We are going to take that C pointer finger and we're going to take it, slide it up on string 1 to the 2nd fret. The next finger I lay down when I do a G7 chord. A G7 chord is a bit of a triangle. We're going to use 3 fingers. The next finger I put down is my pointer finger, and I'm going to put that down on the 1st fret, 2nd string from the bottom. And then the 3rd finger I put down is now my middle finger. I'm now going to stretch across the neck of my ukulele to my 2nd fret, which is also where my ring finger is, but it's going to go on the 3rd string from the bottom, which is my C string. So I have 3 fingers down. Ring finger goes down first, 2nd fret, 1st string. Pointer finger goes down 2nd, 1st fret, 2nd string from the bottom. My 3rd finger that goes down is my middle finger, which is going to go 2nd fret, 3rd string from the bottom. Now I am going to take, my thumb is still on the back of my ukulele, but I am rolling my wrist slightly around my ukulele in order to get that pointer finger to the 3rd string. So we've now got 3 fingers on the ukulele. Should sound like this. So I want you to take your thumb and I want you to roll down 1 string at a time to make sure it sounds right. Because our goal is we've got to learn to switch chords, obviously, without being able to look at your fingers. So that's called muscle memory. So we're going to practice going from G to C to G to C before we begin the song and to New York strum. So from the G, because we've got our fingers in the G, I want you to take your right hand. Remember that we're using our pointer finger, which is going to be longer than the rest of the fingers on your right hand. I'm tucking my thumb up against my pointer finger, and my other 3 fingers, I'm tucking them into the palm of my hand so they're shorter, and I have a loose wrist on my right hand. So I'm still in the G chord. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to switch to C. In order to switch to C, we're going to raise our pointer finger, raise our middle finger. The ring finger is going to slide down 1 fret and should sound like this. If it sounds like this, you've gone 1 fret too far. I want you to be on the 3rd fret with that ring finger, C. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we want to go back to G7. What are we going to do? Slide that C finger up 1 fret. We're going to lay our pointer finger down 2nd on our 1st fret, 2nd string. Then we're going to learn to put our middle finger down 2nd fret, 3rd string. G7 chord. Down, up, 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 down, up. To C. Lift your pointer finger, your middle finger, slide your ring finger down to C, 3rd fret, down, up, down, up, down. Now, what we want to do is we want to practice C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide it up, finger down, G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide your ring finger down. C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide your C finger up, your ring finger up to 2nd fret. Lay down your 2 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide to C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide it up. Lay down your other two fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide down to C. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I want you to mute. Leave your finger on C, but take the pressure off. Lay down your pointer finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C, push your finger down on your ring fingers. C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide your ring finger up. Put down your other two fingers. 1, 2, G7, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide it down to C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mute. Take all the pressure off, but leave your C finger down so you know where you are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide up to G7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide down to C. C. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now you're going to be ready to do this land is your land with C and G7 and mute strum.